Trish and I flew into Delhi from Kathmandu, where we were met by the Victor Emmanuel people and put in our hotel. Delhi, right here. While in Delhi, we visited a couple of local monuments and went to a great wetland called Sultanpur Jheel.
And the whole space is divided into different small sections. This is a typical Persian ancient garden. It is on the concept of paradise. You know, if you look at it, you know, the channels, and when you go after it, how would the Muslim visualize a paradise? So that's how they laid the garden.
The old with the new, the Aga Khan Trust is paying for the restoration of these gardens.
Which went out was the Sikhs, and they went out, of course, to East Africa, but mostly to America, UK, where they made a tremendous amount of impact. So they're very hard working, and as you give them a chance, and they'll take it. So others, that's other people.
Spent 2 years of my life in India.
Check out the scaffolding over there, huh?
King, Dome, Center, Humayun's, Grave the Dog, Replica, Nicha, Haji Begum White.
There you go. Right next to the here. It's not quite hot enough yet.
Alexandrian parakeet.
He is in the scope.
Alexandrian or large parakeet.
Dave, have you seen Jerry? But since it was not, it's not touching the wall of the mosque, and there is this spiral staircase going all the way to the top, that's how they managed to complete the entire tower. So this was, now we don't really know what it has been built for. It could be as a victory tower, it could be a prayer call tower, it could have been a watchtower. So that was supposed to be twice the size of the Qutub Minar. So that was supposed to be like 150 feet, and it was double in width also. But it never really finished.
That's the one that was never finished. These are defaced human and animal carvings taken
This is what it was.
from
And now if you
Hindu
take a
temple.
look, just
Sarus crane on its nest. Coppersmith Barbet. Green beater. Painted stork.
He's in this scope and it's absolutely perfect. You just can't see a bird better.
Indian thick knee over there.
think this is the Eurasian one, isn't it, Dave?
Yes, it is. Yeah.
Oh, this is a Eurasian.
Now being split on our list is India.
Oh, okay, great.
Back to Indian. Crested lark. Ashy crowned sparrow lark.
Yeah.
Courser is in the.
Here,
Move over to that corner
the
with it.
courser.
Get away.
Okay, well let's check out these three over here. They're in a little different.
Courser and a sand grass.
Wow. Very
No.
There's the chestnut-bellied sand grouse.
Yes, he's preening. He's working very hard.
Yellow-wattled lapwing.
65 hours. And bring it back.
The Indian birding experience. You got a worm. The next day, we drove from Delhi down to Agra by motor
Years
coach.
old, so we kind of say, you know, it's that these were, because in the 15th, 16th century, what happened was that the Mughals were ruling. And
Oh wow.
Come on down here.
You want a picture?
we have only two. Could be a wedding party coming back after making some arrangements and also the way they are. And to move forward.
What colors?
So don't be surprised if someone throws at you. Traditionally, that's if you give them something that's fine, but they're going. Salute. It's wood. Raman Hatta.
Male shikra.
And later on, of course, they stayed here and they didn't have any other livelihood.
Crane is declining because of the development of one of the areas it breeds in. There are not as many at Bharatpur where I just was as there were, so we wanted to see this family group very special.
Look at the crane coming out now.
You can see them from outside.
Did you
You're
see
low,
this?
you're high enough.
Oh yes.
Yeah, two adults, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, two young and two adults. Yes. The thing interesting is that there is a religious guru here called Guru Dev. That's his name.
The sun is set on the Taj Mahal. This is Mohan Singh, and we're going into the park now with our group. Yellow-footed green pigeon. Yeah, that's a better view, thank you. Black drongo. Beehive.
They got a line on some really good birds. That's why they got.
Oh, he's still there. Still there.
He's looking at the right on the right hand side.
He looks like a horse. That's it.
It's a blue-bull antelope. It's the largest antelope in Asia.
This is a big antelope.
Yeah. Bigger than the African.
And notice no horns on the female.
The male, you can see the goatee, the horns, you know. That's the male, yes.
Malas and Hinga for the world.
You look at him. You can see he's got a spear there. The nice breeding plumage male has white spots all over the back and wings.
You should see this stork, this painted stork.
He's cool. Okay. Common sandpiper on the edge.
Purple heron.
I like that. I love his yellow eyes. I like I like that purple heron. I think he's got a lot to say. Oh, no, he's moving around.
Pond heron.
Yeah, with the yellow legs.
No. Behind the
Gray heron and red
national
shank. Intermediate in the foreground and great egret in the background.
He gets his head up.
Glossy ibis. Common
Got
teal.
rain coming in and the fish just proliferate.
Which is pretty too.
Gargany, which I've looked for in Marin County and not found.
Who's this guy?
Who's that light brown?
And that's a good contrast.
Wow.
You see the beak
I
color
we
is
saw it the other
changed.
day fly by. Oh, I see one there against the edge over there, yep.
Something which is swimming away, big thing. Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah. There's a branch on top of its shell.
This is the Indian soft shell, Gangetica. What's the genus?
Which one? Just Konsai genus?
Gangetica.
Which?
Rosy pelican.
With this rosy
Clark,
Put it
here.
on this,
Okay, very good.
on this Brahminy duck in a minute.
Okay, great.
Clark, do you want to use my advice? Come and look at this. I want you to see this pelican compared to the white ones we have in Florida. Check that out.
Oh, the
Stork in flight.
All right.
The cranes are really neat.
Yeah. Well, the Sarus are a little farther right. Look
Wire
at that
tail
head.
swallows.
Wire-tailed swallows. Our spotted owl is a Strix. It's a big animal like a barred owl.
Look, two eyes is open.
Good for you.
Eyes is open.
Collared Scotch owl.
That is seriously chic outfit. My word.
Yeah, that's the the spotted eagle. There we are.
Yeah. But they'll take birds.
Oh yeah, definitely.
But river turn's flying.
Oh, sure. Yeah. What have we got?
River turn just flew.
Indian spotted eagle. This is the shooting record of the Maharaja and his guests.
50 guns. 60 guns.
77 guys. Hey, you might have shot all these guys.
Mr. J.
What are they?
Holy day.
And the rain came.
Tail got bobbed.
No tail.
Guys.
I didn't know one in Texas.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Very mature.
Tail matches the center of the flower. Yeah.
Fanning Hall.
Known as Diwan or public audience. If you want to describe this particular building in plain and simple words, people came here for the justice and after dispense justice from here. Like nowadays we have Supreme Court. Then after they announced the decisions for yes. The host city, different names you'll find. This is a Hindi word.
This is a Pachisi board. The girls were the people.
How? If you wanted to
This is the middle, home.
why
Agra Fort.
Victor and
From our hotel window.
Here we are at a beautiful hotel in Agra, looking out at the Taj Mahal, hearing music, decorated with beautiful flowers, and our laundry arrived in a wicker basket. Now, Trish loves wicker baskets. Not only did it arrive in a wicker basket, but it is gorgeous. Just to give
Waiting
you an
for the
example.
train. Not a bad place to wait. After 2 nights in Agra, we boarded the Palace on Wheels, a fantastic train which really made our journey very easy.
This is your coach.
Thank you.
And
looks great. This is our car. Jaipur. And this is the breakfast lounge here.
It's been seen all 3 days, but especially yesterday over Fatehpur Sikri and the day before, day 2 at the Taj Mahal. They've all, as far as I know, all sightings have been immatures. Number 79, Shikra.
7 continents.
The train took us on a long journey that took a day and a half down through Bhopal, you've heard of that, Nagpur, and around to Gandia.
Oh, definitely. Engaging species. Greatly more or less.
And a full moon.
Leave the map up if you have any questions.
Orange groves over there. Being dug out for clay.
just like that comb. Well, reckon it's quite a job cleaning that stuff off.
bass. I mean, the bass is fantastic because it's not fish.
Kitchen.
Yes, sir.
Prepares all this great food for us. Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm Robert Danjua.
Hi.
Look at this music.
It's got rhythm.
Another road. Where are we going this morning?
To find tigers.
All
We're
right.
going to find tigers.
All right.
Tigers and birds. Tigers and birds. Trip of a lifetime.
Yeah, indeed.
Absolutely.
Park entrance.
Yeah.
Kanha's located right about in here. Wild dog there.
Can you hold them?
Our dogs also roll in perfume. This is the perfume of the morning. What a stink. Oh. Wow, that's amazing. Sir.
Yes, he seemed like he was, moving.
Waiting for somebody to find a tiger. A tiger has been spotted, and now we're going to go out and get in line to see if we can be able to see it. They have now seen the tiger.
Yep, they have.
Go.
That elephant moves out.
They have seen the tiger.
It's going through the pasture. Narwhal.
Mud. Wait. Mud.
That's good, right there.
खाते यार भग्गी आ रही है
दो जन है क्या रहे लोग पड़ी
भग्गी सब गए
Okay.
पानी
It's a
का
big male.
Yeah, big
Big male. Crows are trying to come in too.
maybe buggy
Crunch. Look at his eyes.
We got all three elephants in here. पीछे थोड़ा सा
Did you get a picture of me coming off?
I did.
Oh, good.
See, look,
Breakfast in the field.
Peacock. Now she may come in.
I'm trading places with Jerry for the second half.
सर आवाज जरा ये देखेंगे आयोरा लग रहा है सर ये लाइट सामने Yes, sir.
Jungle owlet up there.
Oh, you know, they make a lot of noise. I'm surprised. They're not making noise.
Truck by in a minute.
The harem.
That tiger that I saw down at Bandagar up in the tree, is that pretty unusual?
It's the only one I've ever heard of in my life.
Swamp deer over there.
Yes.
And there's one with a rat. Is that the same?
That call is a hawk eagle.
Sweet past the...
They're usually flitting around like crazy. Every time someone's pointed a Stonechat out on the strip, it's been that they've been on the move.
He catches deer's
got
fawn.
something.
Definitely.
What does he have in his mouth?
Some kind of...
Deer's.
The ibis nest.
And this red-naped ibis is rather unusual.
I see the bees too.
See the bees too, yeah.
Yeah.
They're big, long bees. They're almost an inch long. And boy, they're vicious. If you decide that herd, disturb that hive, hang on.
Swamp deer.
Yes, yes.
It's a male, another tiger, the main, another tiger.
Oh, look at that.
It's huge.
6 feet 6.
Here's the bull.
That's the male.
It's a lesser flameback, or the common flameback. Bengalense is the scientific name. It's white-naped woodpecker.
Oh my God! What a
White-naped woodpecker. That's a good woodpecker.
Is he
Beautiful.
Oh, spectacular.
Oh.
That's a great look.
It's a fantastic look.
Still that long.
Small Indian skylark.
Oh, really? They're not the English ones?
No. Well, they're 5 or 6. See, way up in the air, they're skylarking for us. Look at them way up here.
Oh, look at them all. Yeah, this is just terrific.
Nice. She looks like she's married. Must be Los Angeles.
Eurasian collared dove.
Okay.
No, that's the
Even the common birds.
Look at that.
Pretending she doesn't see him.
Yeah. She knows there.
And she's saying, give me another flight display. Come on, let's see what you can do.
Oh, that's really cool.
Now she's going to leave. Up and down, swoop.
He's sitting right at the tip top
Just
of
look
12.
at the tops of the trees until you come to them.
Is that the racket tail?
Yeah.
A good confirmed ID on golden-fronted leafbird. And hopefully they'll stay and let you have seconds there.
I have to have a second look. I didn't see it.
You know, she'll let a lot of this common stuff go and let me do the BS stuff.
Oh, yeah, this is the other one. That's
the Coppersmith well, but many of us had
not seen this. Oh, this is really nice. Really nice.
Here he is in the scope with his orangey eye ring and bare feet.
What is making that?
The turtle dove.
Talking to us.
Because we're kind of close.
Coming back. That's a nice one. Oh no, that what is it? Is that a Hare flying?
No, you're fine. Oriental turtle dove.
The whole body shape is different. This one's more looks like a coyote.
Yeah, this is a much stockier animal with a much shorter muzzle. But he's got meat, right?
Yeah, he's eating.
Yeah, he's eating.
Ooh, look at the tusks on that boar.
Yeah, yeah. I just call
We drove back to Gandia from Kanha the afternoon of the second day. Giant fruit bat.
What's the wingspan, did you say?
They don't look that big, but when they
Gandia, the train went overnight and all day, and most of the second night back to Agra, and then down to Sawai Madhopur.
So she's been great.
Winter wheat. From Sawai Madhopur, we jeeped 2 mornings out to the Rathambore Tiger Preserve, which was very close, and then stayed overnight on the train. Going out at dawn at the national park.
Everybody sit down, he said.
Long-billed vulture, highly endangered bird.
That's the juvenile who just came out.
Just everybody hold still. Let me see if I can.
That's a good sign. You know, they're not dying anymore. They're going to start to come back slowly.
It's a very cute baby. Look at him.
Notice the adult has a black head. And the juvenile has a whitish head.
Is it a... Oh, look at that.
Huh. You can see why they call them painted.
Red big one like that. What's that other one you saw?
The other one was the white
And a white.
There's some broad ridges.
Where all the...
A hawk.
A hawk?
Yeah.
We're gonna come closer?
Oh, we might keep it. With
This side of the grass, in the road, there's a thick
Oh, it's still there.
Yeah. Two jackals. They're
Oh, the birds are
trying to run them down.
Oh, here comes the other one.
yeah, you know.
Yeah. They're both together now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ring plover.
No? A ring plover.
Did you get it, Taylor?
It's so light now.
You see that painted stork back here down
Yeah. Oh, he's great. Great loping stride.
Isn't he gorgeous? No, I can't see. Oh, there he is.
Common snake.
Small head and a small bill. This is a bird that rips apart honeybee nests and eats honeycomb. And you know, he's omnivore as well. But a small head, small bill, like a gymnogene, has a big terminal tail band. And we've seen them flying. They have a fairly long neck, so profile. But to see one sitting, this is the first one I've ever seen sitting close in my life.
Huh. Indian tree pipit. Ashy dongo.
She could fry an egg
Gray
on my body
hornbill.
too.
I'm sweating.
Well, that's part of the deal, yeah.
Oh, your nose there. Now that place. Brown fish owl.
Look at the red legs. Oh.
Soft-shelled turtles.
Oh, look at that. That's even better.
There's a tiger track.
Ashley crowned sparrowlark. Finchlark in the old books.
Okay.
Oh, look at that car. Oh.
Where was the bear seen? Let's go down.
Okay, bear time.
This is the first real stag sandbar we've had.
Sandbar stag.
Tradition. You can see the horns are like an elk. They're real strong. You have to be seated down.
Greater thick.
Look at the color on it.
Out there. Let's see if we can find the pygmy geese.
You had them this morning?
Across the creek.
It's an owl. It's a huge owl.
Oh, it's an owl?
Right.
Oh, I got him. Oh, he's gorgeous.
Oh, I see him.
Oh, that feels so good.
Markings.
There you go again.
Oh my gosh. Oh, thank you. Yeah.
Okay, you're talking about beautiful markings.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, you really want to
Let me
see
get
beautiful
out.
markings. This is breathtaking.
Yeah, I'll get.
So they leave at 7, the people going to the fort.
Yeah.
We're going to drink.
Well, he's put us here, so.
Yeah, so the whole thing takes about 2 hours.
Oh, you look so cute, Rick.
Wait a minute, we got Rich.
Did you just tell us how long?
Terry wants to. Terry will do it too.
No, just Terry. I'll go with Terry. So are you doing the fort?
Hike up.
Don't, you know?
I think it's good.
That's rigged in. That's quite a hat.
Layering, you're looking good. We are in costume.
Great.
Okay.
Oh, tiger!
Okay, we're out of here.
Palm squirrel poop also adds to the flavor. Everywhere.
Now he's right the next one.
That's a female.
See the plum head?
I see.
There he goes.
Flies. Oh,
I
now
got
he's
Back
back.
then.
Good work.
All right.
She's pretty.
See, they're all coming to the edge, but they're not drinking.
Yeah.
Very pretty little animal.
There we go.
They're going out to do field work. Like they're going to a cocktail party.
Hi.
I hate those two.
Yeah. Yep, thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Okay, Bob. Jerry?
Bye-bye.
Long-tailed shrike. Thanks, buddy. The Palace on Wheels. This is our car, Jaipur. Long train. Linky. We boarded the train in time for lunch and a ride on the train up to Jaipur.
It's real special, given his knowledge of India and his background to have Raj with us. So I want to personally thank him very, very much. I'd like to thank all of you for being here and we hope to see you sometime.
Typical lunch on the palace.
The beach, meditate. Rosary. 1728. I mean, 18th century, even in Europe, you have few towns which are so well planned. Ruling Maharaja, though. His father was the ruling Maharaja. Ladies to beat down at the processions, parade, everything. We will have a chance to see the other side of it. Now we are, within 5 minutes, we'll be in the city palace.
He has no male child. Finest cotton, keeps cool. Right? 10 meters. All right, now see how he ties it. And width is about a meter. The width? Chal.
He's done this before.
You should be timing it. It's really fast.
Should buy one though. No, it's not a time.
See his ears are covered. See that ears? No clapping. This was done by the Maharaja himself, who was a child prodigy, where he came on the throne when his father, he lost his father when he was hardly 11 years old. His first love was the star, but he said that in India, astronomy doesn't play an important role. It is the astrology. I've seen people consulting the horoscope every day also.
12
Some
signs
people,
of
they
the
consult
zodiac.
every day. What has happened around here? Some people want...
World's largest sundial. See where the shadow is.
Kite. The common kite you call it?
The morning sign.
Common? Black kite.
Today is an interesting day to be here. It's the spring equinox. That's the equinox.
See the shadow right there?
Yeah, that says it's the equinox. Pagan sunlight, surface, and shadow. Equinox. Sun over the equator.
The same principle is applied
This is a
for the
small
larger one also.
sundial.
The principle is the same. This is 1 hour. The distance between two black lines, 45, 50, 1, 2, 3. The time is 53 minutes past 3 o'clock.
It's not festival but mourners day more. It is predominantly Muslim area. You can see all the ladies also participate, but they don't go there, but they watch it from the distance. All those Muslim ladies in the black veil. And then you have the cows also. Right there you see the cows in the middle of the road. The one we saw from the observatory side of this portion was the front. This is the back of the wind palace. There is no entrance, you see. The entrance is from the other side, which is the front. The permission, at times they have to pay. It is mandatory that they will have only the pink color.
The two handsome
Bob Fleming.
Here we are.
Bob Fleming, yes.
On my head, I went to get Betsy.
He was on the cheer squad because he was a practice.
No.
Hi, gang.
Somebody else took theirs off too.
Because it depends on how these people go on the backside. We just did a bid for a city called Culver City. And they are thinking about starting their own.
Jack.
Hey.
Watching them making.
Bringing back the Renaissance.
Whipping girls.
There they are. The dynamic duo.
Go, Drongo.
Go, Drongo.
Drongo. What is it? Drongo. Recorded for television to be broadcast in Austin.
Hi, Rick.
Thanks for inviting us all here tonight. I love your house.
Thank you. Fabulous carpet.
The man. After a great end of the trip party near Jaipur, we reboarded the train, which took us all the way back to Delhi, where we awoke the next morning, leaving our home away from home.